Hey everybody, let me zoom this back out. Wrong way. There we go. Thought I'd show you what's going on around my place today. I don't know if you can hear that, but guy over there across the street's out with his snowblower, and there's a good reason why. We'll get the camera turned around here, and I'll show you what's going on in my neck of the woods. So there we go. There's hang on, get a hand on here better. There's my grill, all covered in a bunch of snow. Right there's the top, and all that snow there on top. And my little picnic table. I took my snow skidder out in the backyard a little while ago. Didn't do real well, got stuck. But that's the backyard. I'm gonna take a look out the front yard. Through my messy garage. Well, it's not messy. It's where all the planes are made. This is my front yard. There's a guy out there. This is the third time today he's been out with this snowblower because there's that much snow coming down. It's really not that cold out here. Take a look at my trucks. There's quite a bit of snow on there. Here on the hood of my Jimmy, the snow it's getting wet and it keeps sliding off. Oh, yeah, there went. A whole bunch of it there just fell. Huh. Yeah, can't knock any more off, but this is quite a snow here. It's all real wet. There's a bunch of it falling off. There's been reports of branches been knocked down, they've been broken. There we go, off that tree over there somewhere. A lot of snow there falling. Look at that. Huh. Oops, guess I wasn't paying attention to the zoom. Sorry about that. Yeah, that pine right there was white just a second ago. Now there's some green to it. Part of my driveway. My driveway's not too bad. It's probably got another 3 inches of snow on it, maybe 4 inches of snow, and I was out here about an hour ago shoveling. Oh, that nice guy. He's over there doing a neighbor's yard, or neighbor's driveway. That's pretty nice. Actually, I don't know if anybody lives in that house, but anyway, yeah. I think my zoom on this camera is messed up. It likes to stick, but this is what I've got at my house. Not much flying today. Alright, well, you guys take care. Just wanted to show you the snow. I guess, let's see, what time is it now? It's about 25 after 4. And the way I hear it, this snow is supposed to go on till sometime late this evening. So about here I've got my winter boots on. These are my hunting boots. I'm gonna shovel the driveway again. Just try to keep up on it. That way I'm not shoveling a whole bunch later on. So, all right, guys, take care.